Before the pandemic, Netflix ruled the streaming world. When the COVID-19 lockdowns forced everyone indoors, the platform became more than just entertainment. It was a lifeline, offering escape, connection, and endless entertainment options, propelling Netflix to new heights. Today, post-pandemic, the market is saturated with more challenges and also competitors, all eager for that slice of streaming pie. Welcome to Do Academy. Today we'll examine how Netflix is doing and if it can continue its reign in the ever-evolving streaming market. In 1997, Netflix entered the scene, an unassuming challenger to the video rental giant Blockbuster.
In today's busy world, going to the video store is a hassle. With Netflix, you just make a list of the movies you want to see, and you'll get your first DVDs in about one business day. Keep them as long as you want without late fees. Return one in this prepaid envelope, and they'll automatically send you another movie from your list. My lady, we are the romance movie from Netflix. We hope our presents will be to your liking.
There's a movie waiting for you at home. Netflix. All the DVDs you want, starting at only $9.99 a month, no late fees.
Their innovative approach of mailing DVD directly to customers, coupled with a subscription model that eliminated late fees, quickly disrupted the industry. Within 2 years, Netflix cemented its lead by offering unlimited rentals for a monthly fee. The convenience and vast movie library proved to be a winning formula. By mid-2000s, Netflix dethroned Blockbuster and became the undisputed king of subscription entertainment. In 2007, Netflix launched limited video streaming with just 1,000 titles for PCs and Internet Explorer, capped at 18 hours of free streaming a month. By the end of the year, they had 7.5 million subscribers. By 2016, they were already in 190 countries, offering content in 21 languages. The following year saw them winning Academy Awards for some of their original productions, a reflection of their remarkable journey and growth trajectory. The streaming landscape is becoming increasingly crowded, with established players like Amazon Prime, Disney Plus, and HBO Max joining the fray, alongside regional competitors. This competitive landscape intensifies the pressure on Netflix to differentiate itself and maintain viewer engagement. While it remains the global leader in subscribers with around 260 million as of Q4 2023, which was an increase of over 13 million compared to the previous quarter, its dominance isn't absolute. The company's stock price, a key indicator of investor confidence, paints an interesting picture. After skyrocketing to nearly $700 in late 2021, the stock has plummeted to around $180 in 2022. It has been steadily rising since the big drop, and in early 2024 hovers below $600. With the rise of streaming challenges changing viewing habits and stock price decline, questions has been swirling around Netflix's future. Over the recent years, there has been concern as the streaming giant faced several challenges. For the first quarter of 2022, Netflix revealed its first subscriber decline since 2011, with a loss of 200,000 subscribers. In the second quarter, Netflix lost nearly 1 million subscribers, the company's largest ever subscriber loss. Rising inflation costs and increasing competition in the streaming market were blamed. Rampant password sharing was estimated to cost Netflix up to $6 billion annually, further straining their finances. To address this, they implemented stricter measures to curb password sharing in 2023. This resulted in initial surges of new subscribers, indicating that some previously non-paying viewers were willing to pay for their own accounts. However, the long-term effectiveness remains to be seen. Despite justifying that their price increase in 2023 was necessary to maintain content quality and invest in originals, Netflix is becoming less affordable compared to competitors such as Paramount Plus and Apple TV. This leads to subscribers wanting cheap alternatives, like the Americans who are fed up with the price hike. According to a Civic Science survey in 2023, nearly 40% of US subscribers plan to cancel Netflix due to increased prices, which only contributes to its subscriber slowdown woes. Gone are the days of endlessly scrolling through Netflix, overwhelmed by its exciting offerings. Now struggling to find something truly good to watch, viewers are experiencing content fatigue. Some critics argue that Netflix's focus has shifted in recent years, prioritizing quantity over quality. In 2018, Time magazine called it the year of too much content, and critic Judy Berman described the platform as shifting from a prestige haven to a volume business, churning out formulaic content rather than quality cinematic TV. When comparing Netflix market capitalization to its closest competitor, Amazon, there is a stark difference. As of February 2024, Amazon holds the top spot with a staggering 1.81 trillion USD, with Netflix trailing at second spot at 254.31 billion USD. This indicates that investors consider various factors beyond just subscriber numbers. The potential reasons why Amazon is valued more highly by investors are: 1. Diversification. Unlike Netflix, Amazon operates with a diversified model encompassing e-commerce, cloud computing, and streaming, giving investors a perceived hedge against potential risks specific to the streaming industry. 2. Growth. In recent years, Amazon has shown consistent growth in subscriber base, revenue, and profitability, boosting investor confidence and leading to higher valuations. 3. Future potential. Investors may place greater value on Amazon's broader business model and brand recognition that run across various consumer segments. Unlike Amazon, which boasts diverse revenue streams like cloud computing and e-commerce, Netflix's reliance on a subscription-based model makes it vulnerable. To compete more effectively, it needs to adapt its subscription and business model. While the future of Netflix is far from certain, there's a reason why it has remained the streaming king for so long. Despite the challenges faced, Netflix is still actively exploring solutions. Some of them include offering an advertising-supported tier. This lower-price option may attract price-sensitive viewers and open a window for new revenue. New emphasis on quality over quantity to overcome content fatigue. Netflix is starting to focus more carefully on its content, aiming for high-quality hits rather than a massive library that may not resonate as much with viewers. An exploration into gaming. According to a Wall Street Journal report, Netflix is planning to revamp its 2-year-old game service by exploring potential options that include in-app purchases or just charging for games deemed more sophisticated. This underdeveloped area could potentially be a new revenue stream. By addressing its current challenges and paving a clear path to its sustainable growth and profitability, Netflix has a stronger chance in maintaining its edge in this competitive landscape. Do you think Netflix will be successful in adapting and innovating to stay ahead of the curve? Or will a new challenger emerge and rewrite the rules of the game? Share your thoughts in the comment section below. Be sure to like, share, and follow Do Academy for more actionable investment insights.